Welcome back to class, my YouTube channel. So today we want to look at date function, continuation on date function. Now today, last class we talked about using date function to add days, to add months. I will start from where I stopped. So I would like to look at using this function to add years. How do we add years with what? Date function, using the same formula that we used the other time, which is what? E date. We use e date to add months. So now I want to add 10 years to this particular date, that is 1/10/2020. We want to add 10 years to it. So how do we do that with e date? So it's equal to, e date, can you see, double click on it. So what's the start date? Can you see? You select the start date, click on that, then put your comma. So what are we adding? We convert that years, we convert it to what? To months. So we are converting uh 10 years to what? To months. That means we are going to have what? 10 times 3, which is what? 120. We're having what? 120 what? 120 months. So that gives us what? 10/1/2030. 10/1/2030. So that means now let's look at, if we are to remove 10 years from that particular date, we have to remove 10 years. How do we do that? So we should use the same formula. If it's equal to what? E date. So e date. So we select the start date, which is what? Then comma. Now in this case, we want to what? We want to remove 10 years from it. So what do? We still we come we what we try to multiply it by 120, which is we use what? 12 times multiply by what? This is what d5. Can we see? So once you have it, can we see 10 years has been removed from 2020? We have what? 10/1/2010. So it has, why this one, the first one, 10 years was added to the what? To the 2020, give us what? 20 what? 2030. So I believe that is clear. Now the next one is what? Networking days. Network days. So how do we, this one, we can use this one to know the number of days. The number of days workers work. The number of days you work for a particular month, number of days you work for a particular years, you can even use it to know the number of days you are going to work from the day you start your work till the day you retire. So you know the number of days. Now let's now see, let's start from the first one, networking days. How do we use it to know the number of days between 10/1/10/2020 and 30/10/2020? How do we know the number of what? Of days this a worker work within that period of within that, the first date and what? And the last date. Like, we are going to have what is called to network days. Network days. So you select the start date followed by comma, select the end date followed by comma. Then what do you do? Can we see this? We have what? 22. Can we see? We have what? 22. So now the next one is network days. If this one now, this one is it will calculate that assume that what? The weekend is included here. But in some places their weekend is not Saturday and Sunday. It might be Tuesday and Wednesday. So if yours is not like that, so how do we now calculate that? So that is where we need the what? Network internet INTL. Network INTL. So that will give us, for example, now the start date, comma, the end date, comma. Now look at this. We now come here. So depending on the one, maybe the first one is what? Saturday, Sunday. So the second one is what? Sunday, Monday. The second one is what? Monday, Tuesday. The next one is what? Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So if you pick anyone, let me just pick Sunday, Monday. Let's see what we are going to give us. Then two. So pick another one. So let's see. Let me pick another one. Sorry. Let me pick another one. Let's see what is going to give us. So we have, maybe I put Monday, Tuesday, 20. So depending on what you pick, determine. So that is it on that one. I pick Tuesday and Wednesday. So now, next one now, let's work days plus holidays. Let's work days plus holidays. So if you wants to, for example now, maybe you have public holidays and you want to know the number of days that you are going to work when the public holiday is not what has more it has been removed. So we exclude the public holiday. So what do? We use what the same formula, which is what network. Can we see? So we select the start date. You can see comma, followed by what end date, comma. Then we have what the Saturday and Sunday. You can see that one. It's your comma. So now come back here. You select the two of them. Can we see? So that means you can see the first one that I have here is 1/10/2020. That means October. And here the second month is yes 1/5/2020. That means this is what? This is May. So that means we have in this month we are going to have what? One public holiday. So that means let's know the number of time that this particular person will work. Let's see. I mean, see 21. So that means it has removed the number of days that person will work. Can we see? So one has been deducted based on the Independence Day, of this particular person, for this particular person. I hope this is clear. So this is or that's all on date function. There are still many functions concerning this date function. So I believe this be able to understand better how to use this date function. So we are here to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do so. I'll be very grateful. Thank you.